In this video, we're going to show you how to take apart and reassemble the Joker firearm. Now, to make sure the firearm's unloaded, pull the magazine out, make sure nothing's inside, and then go ahead and pull the bolt back to make sure the chamber is empty. Next, you're going to need a punch and a hammer. We're going to use this to get the takedown pins out. Just slightly tap on the front and rear takedown pins. After you've punched the takedown pins out, the upper and the lower should separate like so. Next, we're going to thread off the barrel shroud or the handguard retaining nut, whatever you want to call it. This thing just threads it right off, and then behind it are two little adapters. Put these adapters to the side. We're going to need those later for reassembly. Go ahead and put these to the side and get yourself a T15 drill bit. You're going to use this to unthread the two set screws on the handguard. There's one on the right side and one on the left side. You don't need to take them all the way out, but you do need to thread them out enough where you can pull the handguard off. Next, we can pull the charging handle out of the bolt. If it's too stiff, you can just slightly punch it out from the other side. Once you've done that, these two pieces thread out from one another. Go ahead and just slide this all the way off. You can pull this back, dropping the two half moon rings. Put these to the side as you will need them later for reassembly. Next, you can begin to slide off all the components that are around the barrel, including the piston, action bar slide assembly, and so on and so forth. Next, we're going to take off the barrel retaining screw and then the barrel retaining nut. Taking these off will allow you to take the barrel out from the upper receiver. Go ahead and slide that all the way off when it's fully threaded out, and the barrel should just slide right out. Once the barrel is slid out, then you can go ahead and take off the bolt and the action bar slide. And that completes the field strip, and now we're going to go ahead and get into reassembly. So for reassembly, just go backwards, put the bolt on the action bar slide, and go ahead and slide that back into the upper receiver. There's two little notches which the two little arms will go onto. Go ahead and slide the barrel back in. Get your barrel retaining nut and then thread that on by hand. Go ahead and put your charging handle back in. Go ahead and tighten that down. You can tighten it down as hard as you possibly can by hand, and that will suffice. Go ahead and thread in the barrel retaining screw. And then start putting all these little pieces back on one by one. The piston goes on after, then this piece. Now you want to put on those two half moon rings. It doesn't matter which direction you put them in from, but both pieces have to mate up to one another. After, just slide the silver piece over them to keep them in place. Thread on the little black cap, and then tighten it down by hand. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our handguard back on. So to do that, just slide it back on. Make sure the bottom portion mates up with the bottom of the receiver. Go ahead and put your two little adapters back on, starting with the metal ring. Metal ring goes on first, just like that. Then the plastic piece goes with the nipple facing down. Then thread your barrel shroud back on, and you can just do this hand tight. And then you want to thread both the screws on the right and left side of the handguards. These are the handguard retention screws. Then you can go ahead and put your upper and lower receiver back together. Once you've made sure the upper and lower receiver are properly together, you can go ahead and hammer in your front and rear takedown pins. And that's it. That's how you disassemble and reassemble the Joker. You do need a few tools, but it is fairly simple and straightforward.